What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you guys how you can get rid of the background noise in your audio when you're recording videos. So this includes whether you have fan noise in the background, maybe you're playing with the fan on and you're trying to record videos but the fan is getting picked up in your mic, or you're playing on PC or console and the fan noise is really getting into your mic, ruining your commentary, and it's really distracting and can be annoying. So the first thing I highly recommend you guys download is Audacity. It is free to download, free to use, and it's actually really helpful. This is what I use in all my videos when I do my live commentary and my post commentary. So I'll link the Audacity in the description below. You guys can download it, super easy. Now here I made a sample clip so you guys can hear it with the fan noise, and then I'm going to show you guys how to take out the fan noise, and then you'll hear it after. So we're going to play it right now with the fan noise. What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and this is going to be the test audio for the video of the background noise. Now you guys can hear the fan noise pretty much in the beginning. Now the trick I like to do with this is when I record videos, when I first hit record, I wait a few seconds, that way it gets the fan noise, and then you start talking. That way it's easier to take out the fan noise later on. So now that you guys heard the fan noise, you can pretty much hear it in this beginning part. In case you didn't hear, I'll play this little part right here where you just hear the fan. So now what you want to do is highlight a little area of where the fan noise is, or whatever noise you're trying to get rid of, whether it's a constant noise, highlight over it a little bit. It doesn't have to be the whole thing. So you highlight over the fan noise, then you go to Effect, you go to Noise Reduction, you hit Get Noise Profile. Then you want to hit Control A to where it highlights the whole thing. So pretty much you're basically telling it to reduce the fan noise throughout the whole video or track. And then you go, after you hit Control A, you go to Effect again, Noise Reduction, and then you hit OK. And then it should be good. So now we're going to play it again, and there shouldn't be any fan noise. What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and this is going to be the test audio for the video of the background noise. Now for whatever the case, if your fan noise is really strong and you still hear the noise after you do the first noise reduction, just do the same tip again, and it really shouldn't affect your voice at all. So now I'm going to show you guys another way you guys can do this. So if you already have your video in your editing software and you want to edit the audio clip to get rid of some background noise already recorded, let's say you didn't use Audacity, maybe you're a vlogger and you have audio from that, or maybe you used Elgato, but you used the Elgato commentary instead of the Audacity commentary, and you want to know how to edit it after the fact. So I use Sony Vegas as my editing software. I like it a lot. So in your editing software, what you want to do is just right click on the audio track that you want to edit, and you want to go to Open Copy in Audio Editor. Now I don't know where this option is in other editing programs, so you might have to Google it, but once you find that, you want to open the copy. And what it's going to do is it's going to open that track. So it basically opens this track into the Audacity, and here you can edit, take out the background noise. Just repeat the same steps I did before and it'll pretty much work the same. And then after you're done, what you want to do to save it is what I do is I go to File, I go to Export as WAV. And then once you do that, you save it, and then you can drag it right back into your editing software. You can get rid of this track. So what I would do is I would just delete that, bring in the Audacity saved one, put it right underneath, and then you'll have your new audio track, and your gameplay sounds or whatever other sounds should be the same. Hopefully this video helped you out in some type of way. I normally don't make videos like this, but I do use a lot of this stuff for my YouTube channel. So I thought, why not just share it with you guys what I do, and hopefully this can help you create better videos. And of course, if you have any advice, put it in the comments below. Let's help each other out. And if you have any questions, ask me and I could possibly make another video on it or answer them in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.